In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can use xTool Creative Space and to create your Chinese lantern for your Chinese New Year project. You will see the finished project here in the corner, the right bottom corner here, and it will show you how to look like. You will be given this lantern template. In this lantern template, if you look at the left bottom corner, and there are two tabs there. One is base, the other one is pattern. And the pattern is just empty, nothing there. I will start with base. The base has two layers. If you click on the first layer, you will see I have set up as a cut, power 35%, speed is 20 milliliters per second. Remember this because you might need to use this for your pattern as well. And this one works perfectly well with the red felt fabric. So I test out. I think this is the number you should put it there. If I click on layer two, it's score instead of cut because we do not want the layer two, this part cut through. Instead, we want to cut a little bit pattern could help you to fold it. And you can also tell this rectangle part is a side. You can just start with this base pretty much done, and you can add a little bit pattern on top of that. But for me, I might want to make it fancier. So I'm going to layer one and I might add a little bit like something could cut through on the side. So what I am going to do, I am going to go to shape, add a few triangles and make it smaller. So if you want to make your triangle taller instead of wider, you can unlock this here and or you can just lock it. And I don't really care, so I'm going to just put them here together, make it smaller. So now I have four, and I can also group them together, and I can copy paste it, Command V, Command C. I can change the rotation to 180 upside down and put it here. So I also add some other patterns and align them together and copy paste and put it around the whole side of the lantern. And so now if you say I click on triangle, it's score, it's not cut because I want to cut through. So I'm going to choose all of the extra patterns I added here and I go to cut. For the cut, I am going to change again. It's the same like 35 and the speed is going to be 20. And now this is all ready to be cut and I'm going to pattern because right now you can see it's kind of boring here. So I am going to start by writing down some of the words. Go to text. I am going to change to Chinese, put as maybe fu and make it bigger. This is a fu I wanted on my lantern and I can also add something else. So maybe I think I will add some, maybe something like that. But instead of the side is a little bit just too hard for me. And I will try to cut the side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert rectangle, press the shift. This is gonna be the square for me and rotate 45 like I did it before and put it here, but right now it seems it's not big enough. Put it in the middle and choose both of this. Here I'm going to go to United Overlap and now I have this. I can cut through this and I can put this as a pattern I have it. And I can also add something else. There are a lot of building like different shapes there you can use, but always consider when you cut it through if it works or not. So there's a dragon because it's gonna be the year of dragon. So I'm thinking about maybe I can add a little bit dragon icon there. Okay, so I'm happy with this. Here you have to make sure that you're gonna choose cut power because this might be the yellow color. The lighter the color is, the higher the power is gonna be. So I'm gonna put 30, 40, and here should be 20 as well. So now I'm done with this, and next tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can cut off with the laser cutter.